I would say that working at Texas Studios has been one of the best work environments that I've worked in. It's very positive, it's very professional.
The access to these facilities have been really unbelievable, and it's expanded my view on sports broadcast in immense ways.
It's really exciting to get this opportunity as a student at UT because yes, you learn a lot from your classes, but it's also very important to get that hands-on experience on the field.
Sports content, especially live broadcasts, are more and more important and more valuable to media companies. The ability to learn how to tell those stories is imperative.
Not only are we serving the students, but we're serving the students in a way that kind of fits in the bigger picture, that allows them opportunities to create content that the athletics department can use.
Just seeing like the people there that run Texas Studios, they have a bunch of experience and advice on their own that I've learned a lot from them.
It's really cool to be able to learn from people who are doing what I want to be doing, and it's just a great experience, especially because it's a hands-on experience, so it's not just, you're being told what the job is, you're also learning firsthand what it entails and what you need to get done.
So I grew up playing sports. Sports was always a place of community for me. That sense of community really stuck with me, and I had always thought about, working in sports.
The sports production and broadcasting minor brings together so much of what makes Moody College of Communication strong and unique.
So our minor is really focused on teaching students hands-on skills that they can translate in the industry.
So with a sports production and broadcasting minor, you get a lot about fundamentals of sports production and broadcasting. You learn about camera work, you learn about highlight reels, game stories.
This is the University of Texas. What we do best in class. We aim to be first. We aim to be the best.
The big picture for me would be becoming a creative director. I've always wanted to be a creative director either in the sports or entertainment industry, and I feel with the experience that I've gained so far with sports production and broadcasting and my job with Texas Studios, I've learned a lot about storytelling, building a story, and with that it's very helpful with my future goal of being a creative director.
My time here at Moody has been great. I've made so many friends and so many memories and so many lifelong connections. It's given me so many different opportunities in the field I want to go into, and I'm so glad I made the decision to come here, and I couldn't be more grateful for all the connections I made and friends and memories I made.